Okay, by this time, at this number, you should have SOHCAHTOA understood. All right. All right. Now that what we need to do is find our reference angle. Right. From here, we are going to point to the opposite side. Okay. So here's my O. There's my 90. So that's my H, and this has to be A. All right. All right. Now we're not going to use this one because I have nothing here for the O. So I'm not going to use that part. I'm not going to use this because I have no O. Okay, I don't have the O. I have to use cosine because I have been given A and H. Okay, so now I know cosine, and let's go ahead and let this be X, okay? And put your degree, or what in this case we're having to find the measurement of that angle, so put an X here. And remember, it's cosine, and then it's A divided by H. Okay, A is 12, H is 13. All right, so go ahead and menu 3-1 this. All right.